everyone, welcome to the Maths Zone. Today's special guest is Miss Baptiste.
Hello everyone.
So a very warm welcome to you. Today we're going to play a game called Stick or Dare, which is a card game. And you need a pack of cards, a piece of paper to keep the score on. Now, because there's only two of us playing, we're going to have 3 goes each. And you might want a blank piece of paper if you want to write down your calculation, if it makes it a bit easier, and a pen and paper. We've decided that our target number today is going to be 40, but you could choose any target number that you like. Okay, Miss Baptiste, I'll hand over to you to explain how to play the game, and then we'll have a go.
Thank you very much. Okay, so throughout the game, your aim is to get as close as you possibly can to your target number, which is today we've chosen 40. So as you move through the pack, each number will be shown. If you are shown a jack, that's worth 11. If you are shown a queen, that's worth 12. But if you get a king, that means you're bust. So you end up with 0 for that round. So you really want to avoid a king. It's a bit strategic because the closer you get to 40, you're going to have to think to yourself, do I want to continue? Will I go past that target number and end up with 0, which is what you don't want to do. So,
okay, we're going to have a go. So just to also add, so any card is worth its value. So an ace is 1, a 3 is 3, a 10 is 10. Okay, so alright, we're going to have a go. Okay, so if I want a card, I'm going to say dare. If I say stick, it means it's the end of my go. Dare. Okay, I've got a 2, dare. I've got a king, so
the king.
I'm afraid my first go, yeah, and I end up on my first round. I've got a 0, but you can see we've got some 3 goes each to have another chance of doing it.
Okay.
Okay, so now I've got the cards, so I'll give them a quick shuffle. And I'll set Miss Baptiste on her way, right?
Okay, dare. And I've got a 3. That's another dare, please. And a 5, which will take me up to 8. Dare again. A queen, which was a 12, so 8 plus 12 will give me 20. Dare again. 4. I've got 24. I'm going to dare again, I think, which is a 2 now, so I've added up to my 24 and I've got 26. Do I want to continue? I'm feeling lucky, I'm going to continue. Dare again. So 26 plus my 8, which will now give me 34. I am going to stick right here.
Okay, so that's our number to beat is now 34.
Right, I didn't want to chance it and go past that target number of 40. Okay. Are you ready, Mr. Davis?
Yeah, we just need to give the cards a quick shuffle each go. Okay. The reason we shuffle each go is that it makes it fair at the beginning of the go. Because there are 4 kings we want to avoid and we want them to be randomly mixed up. So, quick shuffle there. Okay.
Thank you very much.
So I want to get as close as I can to 40, but I also want to try and beat 34 if I can. So, dare. A queen, 12, dare. A 4, 16, dare. A 2, which is 18, dare. A 2, 20, dare. A 3, 23, dare. 6, 29, dare.
Ooh.
And 8 is 37.
Ooh.
I think I'll stick there. That's a nice
Good
little
choice,
score.
Mr. Davis.
Yep.
Good choice.
So Miss Baptiste has got 34. I've got 37, but it's Miss Baptiste.
My
We'll have a
turn.
second go. Let's see if we can pull off a quick shuffle like this. Okay. Second go.
Okay. Dare. Oh, got an ace, which is a 1. Dare. Plus the 9 would give me 10. Dare. And a 5, 15. Dare. And a 6, 21. Dare again, please. And a 2, 23. So I'm going to dare. plus another 3, which gives me 26. I want to beat that 37, so I'm going to dare. Oh, so I had the 26 and I've added another 6, which gives me 32. Now I've got to think, do I want to stick? I wouldn't win, but there's a chance I might end up bust. I'm going to go for it, and I'm going to dare.
Yeah, you've got it, really.
I have to, because I have to beat you.
Okay.
Oh, I had a 32, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, and I've got an 8. Hang on, I've got 40, so I win.
Well done. That's. I think that's the perfect score of 40. So that puts me in a tricky position because it means that just to draw, I've got to get 40. It makes it exciting, so we'll give it a go.
Okay.
Okay. Dare. A jack, which is 11. Dare. A 4, which is 15. Dare. A 10, which is 25. Dare. And another 10, which is 35. So I really need a 5 now. 35. Dare. 2. 37. So I now need a 3. Dare. A 7.
And he's got a 7.
44. That's a bust, I'm afraid.
So you end up with 0. Okay. Back to you, Mr. Davis.
Okay, so the final round, that perfect score
Final
there.
round.
Now Miss Baptista's already won, because she's got an unbeatable 40. But we'll give it one more go just to see if you can do it again.
Oh, if you don't.
Okay.
Okay, dare. 2, dare again. Plus the 7 gives me 9. Dare. Plus the 3, 12. Dare again. Plus the 10, 22. Dare again. Plus the 5 gives me 27. Dare again. Plus a jack, which is 11. So I had 27.
Yep.
So that takes me now up to 38. Will I get the 2 and get my perfect 40 again? Let's see. Dare. I've gone bust. I've gone well over my 40 target number. But
To be honest with Miss Baptista's already won the game, so I think at that point we could have just agreed to play a second game. You can do it with the target number being a single digit number, like say 5, and you could start at something like 50 or 60, and then each time you produce a card you subtract it, so you do it the opposite way round to practice subtraction. Okay, but that game is really good for practicing adding, or in the latter case subtracting small single digit, 2-digit numbers. So thank you very much, Ms. Baptiste, for joining us in the Maths Zone today. That's it for today, so I hope you enjoyed.